Hola.
Hi guys, good day and welcome to this video. So as you can already tell from the title, this is going to be about rice water, how to do your rice water treatment for your hair. My hair is in a scarf because I'm losing my hair, so it looks very crazy. Anyways, let's get right to this. For your rice water treatment, the first thing you need is your rice. This is brown rice, but you can also make use of white rice. I do not know if there are any other specials. Then water and a container. This is a plastic container, but you can use a glass jar. I've read in some places that glass jars are more preferable, but it works for me. This is what I use and it works fine. So yeah. So first off, the first thing I do is to wash the raw rice. It's, it may have some dirt, and yeah, so I just wash it, just like a minor kind of washing. I pour it in this bowl, and just pour everything. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Let me move this. This is it right here. I'm just going to wash it. I'm not going to wash it too extra, so I don't remove what I'm trying to get from it. So and then I'm going to drain the water. Let me toss this I've already rinsed the rice just how I want it. I've rinsed it so it's in however way. So I'm going to put it in this container. I just use my hand really. Let me show you. How do I put this? Let me use this hand. Okay. So I just use my hand and I put it very carefully in the container.
Oh, wake up, wake up. You know I love to see your face with no makeup. I just need your attention, baby. I see the way I attention, baby. Let me know if I'm more than just a friend to you, more than just a friend to you. Make I know. You know say I done try for you. You know say I go ride for you. You know we've been best friends for a year now. Oh. Summer 16, yeah, we're here now. Yeah. I've been keeping it G, no feeling. Oh, nah. That's why I did sing this song so you feel me. Yeah. I just wanna let you know. No, they hide no more. And I ain't a player no more. Next to you, I dare.
So yeah, we like to sit in a very cool place. So I'm going to leave this for about 3 days. I'll be done losing my hair whenever I'm done losing my hair, and I'm going to make another video. That's going to be the next clip that you're going to be seeing, and yeah, I'll show you how I use not how I use the rice water on my hair, but the things I add to the rice water to make it more potent. And by then you also see how the rice water, which is just this way, you see how it turns when it has sat for 3 days. So yeah, we'll see. Hi guys, so it's already the 3rd day, and this is our rice water. So this is the bottle, this is the spray bottle. I'm going to be pouring it into, so I'm going to do that right now. I think logically it would be cool to sieve it first, so rice does not enter the spray bottle, but I really don't want to spray it. I'm just going to be careful because, yeah. Okay, so this is full. I'm just going to reduce it. So yeah, this is the rice water. So this is the rice water, and basically I mentioned in the last clip you watched that to make it more potent, I add a few things in the rice water. So this is almond oil. This is a carrot oil, pure almond oil. Then I add 3 different essential oils. This is lavender oil. Let me bring them out. This is lavender oil. This is rosemary oil. And this is tea tree oil. I do not have a dropper, so I just, this is quite a bit. I do not have a dropper, so I just wait with my eyes and put very little because honestly, like, I feel like sometimes I put only a drop and it smells so potent. So this is just a little. That's it. That's tea tree oil. This is rosemary oil. I like this. Their smells are so strong. Okay, this is quite a bit. Ouch. Alright. I also pour that in. And then lavender oil. Also pour that in. Close it. And then carrot oil, this which is pure almond oil, and I just pour however I wish to pour. I'm more careful with the essential oils because they're more powerful. But anyways, this is a spray bottle and we are done closing it. And then I just shake it. Because it's oil and water, it can't exactly set, so you're going to see the oil in you see the oil settles around here and then the water is down. So whenever I want to spray it on my hair, I just shake the bottle, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This rice, I don't know, some people say they still make use of the rice, but I do not make use of mine. I do not make use of my rice, I just pour it away, which is why when I'm doing rice water, I make sure to use just very little rice, so I do not mourn the rice when I'm trying it away. So yeah, that's it. Of course, the rice water smells, but with this, we're adding the essential oils. You saw the very little drops I put, but even with that, it makes it like, it will smell pretty good. There's no need trying to smell it since you cannot smell it, but it does smell good. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Love is all around. I believe in you.